Alright, finally got a few peppers ripening around. This is a Batman pineapple. Here's another, not the biggest plant, but they were planted late. I didn't label anything, I just threw all these plants out here and said I'll figure it out. A tiny sugar rush stripe. that tiny plant shouldn't have all those peppers, but yeah. Here's another two sugar rush stripe. These plants did better over here, and they were replanted first. There's the dreaded blossom end rot thing. I saved a winter's worth of eggshells, and I put around where I planted these as prevention. Well, that's not too bad considering. Got one lost, I guess. Yeah, the Sugar Rush Red and these are prone to this bear disease for some reason. And here's Paula's cross on the it's the Tangerine Tiger. It's a Sugar Rush Stripe cross, and these are the shapes I got from them. Hopefully these will ripen with the stripes as they did last year. The plants are doing great. They're like my tallest plants right now. Really big and productive. There's two of them there. I see one getting color right over there. Don't see any stripes yet. Here, getting overshadowed by the Tangerine Tigers and these rusty Batmans are these two small plants. I didn't know what they were. I think I got them from the nursery, but they turned out to be a large sweet pepper. Really don't remember buying them. And here is the big rusty Batman. I see one ripe in there, I think. Hold on, the mesh not letting me focus. Let's see if we can get in there. There's the rusty color, and the shape, not all. I think this was the pheno that we were trying to get with the shape. I saw a really nice one around. Yeah, well, it kind of looked like that, but here's some more getting color. There's a really large one there with the nice shape. Yeah, I can't. Here we go. It's there. With my luck, I'll probably snap it off. Oh, there it is. I felt the stem breaking. This is another. I don't know what this is. I suspect this is the also this one. No, this is a chocolate pot right here, and I think it's the big chocolate Batman, but it looks too smooth. Yeah, it's smooth. It's not Big chocolate Batman is a cross of a chocolate Scotch bonnet and a Maruga, what is it? A Maruga scorpion brain. Here's five, I think it's 5 plants. Yeah, ahi chumbo. They're really doing good. Very productive. And some were smaller than others. That one, yeah, I see some color coming onto them. It might do a hot sauce with just these. Let's see what they're like. I had a good hot sauce made with just ahi chumbo from Hugo Vera, and yeah, that looks like a good pepper. Seeds from Jimmy Pickles, by the way. And here's this is supposed to be a Reaper. Some look like Reaper, look like Primotali. It's looking alright. Kind of mean looking, a few of them. These are my jalapeno peppers. I got a few plants, and here's another, kind of small, and I have another over there. This one is my only potted plant in a 7-gallon. I took a pepper off of this one. This one I took a ripe pepper off too, and used it on Janie's spaghetti sauce. Showing a little color, like they're ripening. A little rare for jalapenos. They usually take longer than this for me. Over here is that sweet, the giant Marconi Italian pepper. It's really nice. I wrapped one in bacon for Janie a couple days ago. I left one there to ripen and get seeds from. The plant's really small still, and not all the peppers look like they're gonna be like that. These are my sweet peppers. I saw Gage post a video, post a thing on Pepper Lovers about if it's sun scald or blossom end rot. So I thought it was sun scald, Gage, and but check this out. This small analysis here. I have poblanos on each corner. I have 4 poblanos each corner, and in between them I have these bell peppers. The poblanos are the only ones getting that, and it looks like yours, and it does look like sun scald, but it's always towards the bottom, so I'm gonna go with burr, blossom end rot. See, none of the bells were affected, but all 4 poblanos were. The bells are fine. So maybe like the Sugar Rush red and striped, they could need like more calcium or something. Right in the middle there's the Reaper. I decided to put in between hot peppers. I don't know, some look like Reaper. I saw an earlier pot and it did not. I guess they are. Those tiny ones. Another sugar rush stripe. I just dumped it there last minute. Didn't want to kill the plant, but it's come up between all these bunched up. So yeah, this year the squirrels have been kind to my tomatoes, and yeah, I'm getting tons of tomatoes. I haven't found a single tomato, with one bite and tossed to the side. I hope it's the lesson I taught one squirrel, which I did release in good health, but hopefully he passed on the word. Yeah, that's a story for a live stream soon. Thanks for watching. Catch you next one.